Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about India's current water crisis and how wastewater can help us solve the same. In India, around 600 million people are facing acute water shortages and around 12% of the population, that is 163 million people, are already living the day zero scenario with no access to clean waters near their homes. It is expected that the demand will exceed water supply by 50% by the year 2030, and we are expected to lose around 6% of GDP due to the same by the year 2050. India is home to 18% of the world's population but only 4% of freshwater resources, creating a pressure at the freshwater resources. Currently, freshwater resources fulfill 85% of our water demand. At the same time, we highly underuse our wastewater, treating only 33% of it. If India reuses around 80% of its wastewater from its 110 most populous cities, it can meet 75% of the projected industrial demand by the year 2025. Sludge from treated wastewater can irrigate up to 1 to 3 million hectares of land every year, reducing the fertilizer dependence by 40%. Further, the use of treated wastewater for industrial and agricultural purposes frees up fresh water for direct drinking consumption. India generates around 62,000 million litres of domestic sewage per day with a treatment capacity of merely 37% at India's 920 sewage treatment plants operated by municipal corporations. Moreover, about 13,700 million litres of industrial wastewater is generated daily at manufacturing clusters, 60% of which is treated at 193 common effluent treatment plants across the country. The gaps in treatment capacity are amplified at local levels, with STPs commonly present in larger cities and CETPs are unevenly distributed across states. The Central Pollution Control Board estimates that the sewage generation in India will increase to 120,000 million litres per day by 2051. Recognizing this challenge, the Indian government shifted its focus to solid, sludge and grey water management under the Swachh Bharat Mission 2.0. Following a sustained focus on achieving open defecation-free status, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs developed a detailed criteria for cities to achieve Water Plus status in May 2020. The criteria involves fulfilling these three requirements. Number one, 100% of commercial, industrial and domestic wastewater must be treated. Number two, there must be adequate capacity to treat the wastewater. Number three, the facilities and infrastructure should be maintained properly and cost recovery be ensured through proper reuse or recycling of treated wastewater. Despite these targets, the allocation for Swachh Bharat Mission Urban has remained flat between fiscal year 2021 and 2020 at Rs 23 billion. As cities pursue the Water Plus status, a few questions now arise. How will municipal corporations and city authorities now mobilize additional financing required to fund the wastewater treatment capacity gaps? How will they obtain operational efficiency and ensure that the facilities and infrastructure are maintained? Our issue brief, Arresting India's Water Crisis, the economic case for wastewater use, argues that the public-private partnerships are the key in solving all of these problems. Read our issue brief at orfonline.com.